My name is Giovanni. We're gonna make pizza. And it's gonna be a fun video. Me and Lorena. She doesn't like her name Lorena, but that's her name. Okay? She says, do my name. But no! It's Lorena! Don't listen to her.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. 2 cups of flour.
Yup.
You have to tell them 2 cups of flour.
You have to do 2 cups of flour.
Put the flour in there.
For all the flour.
1 more.
This is how you clean your hands if you have salt.
Flour.
Hey, the flour, me.
Here. Pour it in there.
Woo!
Alright.
Now it's nice and clean again because I do it like this.
1 tablespoon of salt.
Yes.
2 cups of flour. Okay, here. Oops.
We did 2 cups of flour already.
1 tablespoon of salt. You have to say what it is.
2 tablespoons.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon, salt.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
A teaspoon of baking powder. As you know, it's like we're cooking something else. It's like another recipe we're making, but no, it's pizza. We're not gonna tell you after it. I promise. It's not like the cereal with no cheese. That's the surprise. No cheese. I'm not lying.
1/4 cup of olive oil.
Yes, 1/4 cup of oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Put it in there.
Or a spoon.
Put it in there. Pour it in.
Pour in like an egg. Face.
And we don't have yeast, so we're gonna use a light beer.
Oh no!
Here, a light beer.
Why do I hear?
Because we don't have yeast. And you can substitute yeast for beer. Okay. And then you're going to mix it.
Yep. That's the right tool. Can I mix this? Make all of it dry.
A little. About 1/4 more
This smells like beer.
flour.
This smells like beer with flour and the salt. Doesn't it? Oh, I hate this smell. Oh, this is...
It's yeast. Yeast. It's gonna make the dough rise a little. It's gonna help it rise.
Oh, now I got the wet beard on me. Bad. I'm not gonna lick...
Do you want me to help?
Yeah,
Go
I'm
wash
not
your
gonna lick this. I'm not gonna lick this.
Go wash
It's
your
beard. It's beard. It's beard. I do not want to drink it, right?
No.
It's beard. I can't drink beard, and I know beard's not healthy.
Beer, not beard.
Beard. I'm gonna call it beard. It's beard.
Did you wash them?
I'm already doing with the last part. I'm waking you up.
Stop. Might need a little more.
I'm too fast
What enough?
for this video. I'm too fast. Too fast, I told you. I told you fast. I told you I'm too fast.
You're supposed to knead it for 6 minutes. Got 1 minute. 1 minute to go.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. What?
Click the pause button because we're not gonna be sit here for. No. Pause.
Now we're gonna cover this for 20 minutes. Yep. Now leave it dry. Oh! 18, 19, 16, 15, 14, 13,
He's
12,
counting 20 seconds.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It was in 5 seconds.
You forgot what number you were on here. Try. Oh, that's our timer. That was 20 minutes that the dough was
I need more.
Nope. What's a little piece? Okay, so now that our dough is ready,
Yes, because it
it
looks
should rise a little.
like it's gonna melt.
We are going to prepare our surface with some flour. Not a lot, just a little.
Mine.
So it doesn't stick to our surface here. And then you're going to take our pizza dough out, knead it again, make sure it's.
How do you do that?
We're gonna try and make a circle.
Yeah, you're doing magic.
So now we have our
That's not a circle.
roller, a little. Okay, now you're gonna go roll it.
It's almost a circle. You just have to put that top part.
Yeah, it's almost a circle. All right, here you go, buddy. Roll it.
I'll go fast as I can. I'm so fast you can't even see it. If I do it hard, I'll go slow. If I do it, if I do it slowly, I do it faster.
Can you pick it up? All right, on that side. And once he's done with that, we're gonna put it on our pan to put the toppings on it. Okay.
This is the
So
pan.
now I'm going to help Gio.
Hey, my name is... Don't say my nickname. You're not allowed.
I'm not allowed. We're gonna try and flip this,
That's you.
and we're gonna do it this, and extend it that way like this.
Do we pat it?
No, you don't need to pet it. You just need to stretch it a little at the ends. Okay. Now we're going to. So we put it in a pan, in a pizza pan, right? And you're gonna put your sauce, pizza sauce.
Yes.
Spread it. Oh, before.
The cheese.
Melted a little butter.
Yes.
Just gonna drizzle it on the top. Right.
Yes.
Warm butter.
Yes, I like butter. Pizza. My tummy feels like
And now
a
you can.
fat pizza.
Now you can put the pizza sauce. spread it.
Yeah, like a mouse.
Probably easier just to pour it like that.
Ha!
And then make some more.
Also could be more like pizza. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is like the best day ever. This is not spaghetti. We're making a pizza. Hola, amigos.
Okay.
Hola.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Now cheese.
Yeah.
Part of half of the pizza.
Can I spread the cheese?
Yes.
Oh. No, I want to put the pepperoni. Not. You could pour the cheese.
You don't want to put cheese on it? He doesn't like cheese.
No.
Just a little bit? You want
Just
no
a
cheese?
little.
You don't have to put cheese on it. No cheese?
No cheese.
Okay, no cheese. All right, then we're gonna have you put the pepperonis.
Actually, we
Here.
skipped the cheese part. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Put the pepperonis all over.
It's my pizza. Hey, who? Hey, who dare put cheese on this pepperoni?
Just gonna sprinkle a little
Cheese?
sea salt.
Oh, I thought you said
A
cheese.
little bit.
So it could taste like nothing. Not those.
And a
So it could
little
taste-
parsley.
Yeah, so it could taste like pepper with bread.
A little parsley.
And pepperoni, no, and tomato with, that's it. No cheese. And not the thing what mommy prefers. I don't like not cooked
Salt over
pepperoni.
the shoulders for good luck. And then sprinkle
I ran out of pepperoni.
a little pepper. You want me more pepperoni?
Yes, I did. What? No.
Here. How about I help you?
We need just 2 more.
2 more?
Yes. So I can fill up the whole pizza.
How about one more? That piece doesn't have any. Yeah? There.
Oh!
Okay.
What about that piece?
That piece?
Yes. Oh my god. People, we're gonna make my pizza. My pizza has no cheese, no anything I don't like, right?
Mm-hmm. In the oven it goes 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to lower it to 375 for another 10-15 minutes. We'll
Yeah,
see.
and there's a hole with the
Goes.
pepperoni
Pepperoni.
with tomato sauce, the tiny
All
one.
right, buddy, open the oven.
Yes, ma'am. Oh! That smells hot.
Hmm?
Not like burning, not like love, like burn. Oh.
All right. Okay, so our pizza's ready to come out the oven. It was in there
I'm
for
opening it.
25 minutes.
Whoa! I see it moving still.
Oh yeah.
I see it moving so cool.
Okay.
I paused it.
Yeah, I know you did. Alright, let's take it out of the oven. It's nice piping hot. Let's show it to our friends. Move out of the way. It's nice and piping hot.
I'm gonna reset the video.
No, you're gonna tell them what you were gonna tell them. And the video.
We're gonna make sure you leave a like and make sure you put a thumbs up. That means you click the like button and make sure to ring the bell and subscribe. Also, you have to subscribe to ring the bell.
Okay.
And bye-bye, guys.
More cooking videos from Giovanni.
Yes.